Hi, I'm Dr. Mandell. If you're over 60, you need to listen closely because one of the greatest challenges as we age is something called sarcopenia, the slow, steady loss of muscle mass and strength. This doesn't just make you weaker. It affects your balance, your metabolism, your energy, and it increases your risk of falls and fractures. Quinoa is not just another grain you find on the shelf. It is what we call a complete protein. And that means something very profound for your body, especially if you are over 60 and facing the natural battle of muscle loss known as sarcopenia. Because when we talk about a complete protein, we are talking about a food that contains all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body cannot produce on its own and must receive from your diet in order to build, repair, and maintain muscle tissue. And this is not something that most plant foods can give you, which is why quinoa stands in a class of its own. Most grains are deficient in certain amino acids, like lysine or methionine, but quinoa contains a perfect balance, and that balance becomes crucial for older adults whose muscle protein synthesis is already less efficient due to aging, meaning your body needs higher quality proteins to achieve the same results that came easier in your youth. Think of leucine, for example, one of the branched chain amino acids that acts like a trigger switch for muscle growth, because without leucine present in sufficient amounts, the body simply does not turn on the signal to build new muscle. And what makes quinoa so powerful is that it delivers leucine along with isoleucine and valine in ratios that support this exact process, ensuring your muscles are not just maintaining but actively rebuilding when given the chance. Imagine every time you eat quinoa, you are not just filling your stomach, but sending your muscles a message that says, wake up, grow, repair, and stay strong. And that message is life-saving when you consider how muscle strength is tied to balance, mobility, metabolism, and independence. Now, as we get older, our bodies experience something called anabolic resistance, meaning the same protein intake that would have once easily triggered growth no longer has the same effect. So we need to be smarter with our choices, and that is where quinoa becomes so valuable, because you are getting those essential amino acids in one natural, plant-based source without needing to rely only on animal proteins or expensive supplements. The beauty of quinoa is that it is versatile and digestible, and for older adults who may struggle with heavy meats or protein powders, it offers a gentle yet potent way to deliver exactly what the body craves for muscle preservation. This grain has been cultivated for thousands of years by civilizations that understood its nourishing power, but only recently has science confirmed that it is indeed a complete protein and one of the rare plant foods that can rival animal sources in supporting muscle health. Each amino acid in quinoa plays its own role: lysine in supporting tissue repair, methionine in metabolic function, tryptophan in serotonin production and mood, and together they form a symphony that keeps the body not just functioning but thriving. When you combine this with the natural minerals like magnesium and iron present in quinoa, you create an environment where muscles are energized, oxygen is delivered efficiently, and protein synthesis occurs more effectively. If you think about the danger of sarcopenia, it is not just about losing muscle bulk, it is about losing life quality, it is about not being able to carry groceries, climb stairs, or prevent a fall, and falls are the #1 cause of injury-related deaths in older adults. So when you eat quinoa, you are not just feeding your body, you are protecting your independence, you are guarding your future, and you are giving yourself the tools to keep moving with strength and confidence. Each bite of quinoa becomes a form of medicine, plant-based and natural, targeting the root cause of muscle decline by fueling your body with amino acids that spark growth and repair. And if you make it a regular part of your meals, you create a protective shield against the slow, silent decline of sarcopenia. This is why health experts around the world are emphasizing the importance of complete proteins for older adults, because without them, your body is simply missing critical building blocks, and no amount of calories can make up for the lack of those essential amino acids. Quinoa is like giving your body the full toolkit it needs, instead of just handing it a hammer and expecting it to build a house. If you leave out one essential amino acid, your body cannot assemble the muscle proteins properly, and the process breaks down. But when you include quinoa, you close that gap, you provide every necessary piece, and your muscles can finally respond the way they are designed to. For anyone over 60, this means you are not fighting an uphill battle alone. You have a food ally that is simple, affordable, and incredibly effective in supporting your muscle health. When you make the choice to replace refined grains that offer empty calories with quinoa that offers complete protein, you are making the choice to invest in strength, resilience, and longevity. The truth is, muscle is not just about looking strong, it is about staying alive and vibrant. It is about the energy to play with your grandchildren. The ability to get out of bed with ease, the capacity to heal after surgery, and the freedom to keep living on your own terms, and quinoa, being a complete protein, feeds directly into that vision of health. Every grain you eat carries the full spectrum of amino acids your body cannot make, and that completeness is what sets it apart. That is what makes it such a powerful grain in the fight against sarcopenia, and that is why introducing it into your diet now, not tomorrow or someday, is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your body and your future. When we talk about science-backed benefits of quinoa for fighting sarcopenia, what we really mean is that this grain has unique properties that directly support the way your muscles are built, repaired and energized, and as you get older, your body becomes less efficient at turning the protein you eat into actual muscle tissue. So the type of food you choose matters more than ever, because it is not just about eating protein. It is about eating the right kind of protein along with the minerals and compounds that help your body absorb and use it correctly. Quinoa contains high levels of leucine, isoleucine, and valine, three-branched chain amino acids that play a central role in something called muscle protein synthesis, which is the biological process that turns amino acids into new muscle fibers. And without this process being triggered, your body simply cannot build or maintain lean muscle, no matter how much protein you eat. Leucine is like the ignition key. It tells your muscle machinery to start building. And quinoa provides this amino acid in significant amounts along with the other essential ones to keep the process moving smoothly. And this is why researchers have compared quinoa to animal proteins in terms of its effectiveness for muscle health. But it does not stop with amino acids, because quinoa is also rich in magnesium, and magnesium is vital for energy production inside your cells. It helps form adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is the fuel that powers muscle contractions, and without adequate magnesium, your muscles fatigue quickly, your recovery is slowed, and your risk of cramps and weakness goes up. So by consuming quinoa, you are giving your muscles both the building blocks and the energy they need to function. Potassium is another critical mineral in quinoa, and potassium is necessary for maintaining proper fluid balance and nerve signaling in muscle tissue. It prevents muscle breakdown and helps your body transport nutrients into your cells where they can be used. And this is especially important for older adults because potassium intake tends to be low in aging populations, leading to muscle weakness and higher blood pressure. Iron in quinoa also plays a huge role because iron is responsible for carrying oxygen in your red blood cells. And without enough iron, your muscles cannot get the oxygen they need during activity, leading to fatigue and reduced endurance. So when you add quinoa into your meals, you are not just eating a protein source. You are giving your body the minerals that amplify that protein's effectiveness in muscle building. Another powerful benefit of quinoa is its complex carbohydrates, because as you age, your ability to regulate blood sugar often becomes compromised. And when you rely on refined carbs, your blood sugar spikes and crashes, draining energy and impairing muscle recovery. But quinoa digests slowly, providing steady glucose release. And glucose is the preferred fuel for your muscles. So when you eat quinoa, your muscles have a stable energy source to repair and grow. Scientific studies have shown that older adults who consume complete proteins with a balance of amino acids along with supportive nutrients like magnesium and iron experience higher rates of muscle retention and strength compared to those who consume incomplete proteins. And quinoa fits perfectly into this category, delivering all of these benefits in one food. Think about the synergy here: amino acids laying the foundation, magnesium fueling the engine, potassium balancing the system, iron delivering oxygen, and complex carbs supplying steady energy, all inside this one tiny grain. And that is why quinoa is so much more than just food. It is like a natural prescription for muscle health. If you look at how muscle tissue declines in sarcopenia, it is not just a matter of less muscle bulk. It is also a decline in muscle quality, slower recovery, and greater susceptibility to injury. And quinoa addresses all of these by enhancing protein synthesis, supporting energy metabolism, and reducing inflammation, because it is also rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols that fight oxidative stress, which is another silent driver of muscle aging. When your muscles are exposed to chronic oxidative damage, they lose their ability to regenerate properly. But quinoa's antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, protecting muscle cells from premature breakdown and preserving their ability to respond to exercise and nutrition. That means when you eat quinoa regularly, you are not only giving your muscles the tools to grow, you are also protecting them from the damage that accelerates their decline. Research from nutrition journals has highlighted that spreading high-quality protein intake evenly across the day is more effective than concentrating it in one meal. And quinoa's versatility allows you to do exactly that, whether it is as a base for breakfast porridge, a salad at lunch, or a warm side at dinner. Every serving reinforces your muscles with amino acids and minerals at the right time. Imagine the difference this makes for someone over 60, where every ounce of muscle retained is an ounce of independence gained, every pound of strength preserved is another step of confidence on the stairs, another lift of groceries, another walk in the park without fear of falling, and quinoa directly feeds into that future. This is not hype, it is science, and the research is clear that complete proteins combined with mineral-rich energy sources have a measurable effect on slowing down the progression of sarcopenia, and quinoa just happens to check all the boxes in one simple food. Think about the alternative, empty calories from bread or pasta that only spike your blood sugar and give you nothing your muscles can use, and then compare that with quinoa, a food that nourishes at every level, that sustains, protects, and rebuilds, and you will see why it is called one of the healthiest grains on earth. Every bite is like telling your muscles, I am giving you the fuel, the oxygen, the balance, the power to keep me moving, to keep me strong, to keep me alive and vibrant, and in the battle against sarcopenia, that is exactly the kind of message your body needs every single day. When it comes to making quinoa a part of your daily life, the key is not complexity, but consistency, because what your muscles need is not a while boost, but a steady and reliable source of nutrients that allow them to keep repairing and rebuilding day after day. And the truth is, quinoa is one of the easiest foods to integrate because it can take the place of so many less nutritious options you may already be eating. Think about the refined white rice or pasta that often sits on the plate, foods that offer little more than empty carbohydrates and a quick spike in blood sugar followed by a crash. And now imagine replacing that same serving with quinoa, a food that not only keeps your blood sugar stable, but also provides a complete protein profile with all 9 essential amino acids your muscles are craving. And you begin to see how one small switch at lunch or dinner becomes a powerful daily act of protection against sarcopenia. The versatility of quinoa means it does not matter what your food preferences are, whether you prefer savory or sweet, light meals or hearty ones. You can find a way to work quinoa into it. You can toss it into a fresh salad with vegetables, mix it into a warming soup, add it as a side to lean protein, or even make it the star of the dish by combining it with beans and herbs to create a protein-rich meal that fuels recovery and strength. For those who start their day with breakfast cereals or toast, imagine how much stronger your day begins when you make a warm bowl of quinoa topped with berries, nuts, and cinnamon. Suddenly you are no longer starting the day with sugar spikes, but with a slow release fuel that energizes your muscles and brain while delivering amino acids to prime your body for activity. And if you spread this practice across lunch and dinner by including quinoa even in half-cup portions, you are creating a consistent protein flow that science shows is far more effective for muscle retention than eating one large protein, heavy meal at night. The beauty of quinoa is in its digestibility, because many older adults struggle with heavy animal proteins or processed supplements that can cause bloating, indigestion, or discomfort. But quinoa is light yet powerful, offering a plant-based protein source that is easy on the stomach while still delivering the complete amino acid package. And this makes it sustainable for everyday use. It is not about making a radical dietary change that feels overwhelming. It is about simple replacements and additions that build into a habit. And that habit becomes a shield against sarcopenia because your muscles are continuously supported with what they need to resist decline. Imagine every day you consume just half to 1 cup of quinoa, your body receives leucine to switch on muscle protein synthesis, magnesium to fuel energy production, potassium to stabilize fluid and nerve function, and iron to deliver oxygen, and over weeks and months this compounds into noticeable strength, better endurance, and improved recovery after even light activities like walking or gardening. This daily habit becomes the difference between losing strength at a rapid rate and holding onto the muscle that keeps you independent, because sarcopenia does not strike all at once. It chips away gradually, and the only way to counter it is with consistent nourishment. When you commit to eating quinoa every day, you are making a conscious decision to protect yourself from that silent loss, and that decision empowers you not only physically, but mentally, because you know you are taking control of your health. The variety of ways you can cook quinoa means it never has to feel repetitive. It can be seasoned with herbs, combined with vegetables, blended into patties, used in place of oats for breakfast, or even baked into breads and muffins, making it a flexible tool in your kitchen arsenal. Every culture has staple grains that define their meals, and for you, quinoa can become that staple, one that does not just fill the belly but strengthens the body And the more frequently you use it, the more natural it becomes. The key to fighting sarcopenia is not just about exercise, though resistance training is critical, but about ensuring your diet complements that effort, and quinoa in daily meals provides that complement by delivering the amino acids your muscles need to respond to exercise and the minerals that help your body recover, making your training more effective and your results more lasting. If you rely only on occasional protein or sporadic supplements, your muscles never get the consistent signal to grow. But with quinoa daily, you send that signal 3 times a day, amplifying every effort you make toward health. This is why the science emphasizes protein distribution across meals, because the body has a limited ability to process large amounts of protein at once, and excess is simply wasted, but smaller consistent doses are absorbed and used efficiently, and quinoa makes that distribution easy because it can fit into every mealtime without strain. Over 60, every meal counts. Every bite either feeds the progression of weakness or fuels the resistance against it, and by making quinoa a daily ritual, you are stacking the odds in your favor, ensuring each day builds strength rather than diminishes it. You do not need to overcomplicate it. You do not need exotic recipes. All you need is consistency, a steady presence of quinoa on your plate, and over time the benefits accumulate. Your muscles stay fuller, your energy stays higher, and your independence stays intact. And that is why using quinoa in daily life is not just a dietary choice, but a strategy for longevity.